Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Leo, my lions and lionesses, my subscribers, thank you for being here once again. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo. 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, King of Swords, 6 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and the Justice card. All right, Leo, some things are maybe have been exposed, or maybe somebody was not listening to their intuition on time. Maybe initially one or both of you could have been putting in work in this connection. This could have seemed like a good friendship, could have been seeming like a soulmate, connection or something, but right now things don't seem to be going that well. Somebody's feeling abandoned, left out in the cold. I have a Queen of Swords here who doesn't trust their partner anymore, who's angry with their partner. I have a King of Swords here who seems very grumpy as well right now, not being able to communicate with this Queen of Swords. Things seem to be in troubled waters, but somebody does want to return back. They're feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed for maybe their past behavior, or not, doing the right thing when the time was right, or something like that. So I'll clarify all these cards, Leo. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. 1 second. Leo and their person. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And I'll take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. All right. And a couple from here as well, and then we begin your reading. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Thank you. All right, Leo, good to go. Your first card here says, with just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am, I'm always thinking of you day and night. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I'll never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. But I think somebody didn't use their intuition on time when the time was right. And now I think somebody's figured it out and does want to return. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. Maybe there's separation, and maybe one person feels, oh, I've already lost my chance here. Maybe my person's already with someone else. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. All right, Leo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Wise decision and healing. So somebody has to make some wise decisions here about the injustice that's been happened in this connection, Leo. And yes, healing is possible. My angels are saying healing is possible if some wise decisions are made even now. So let's begin our reading now and let's see what's going on. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Somebody initially did put in the work, I think. Maybe it was, a new friendship, a new offer. Somebody did try and put in the work. This seemed like a beautiful connection. Six of Cups. Six of Cups, Spirit. But then came in a little bit of holding back, a little bit of ego, a little bit of that Leo pride may have come in. Things were maybe too good to be true, even though on the face of it, there was a equal partnership, there was equal give and take, it was a beautiful friendship. This connection seems strong, but I have a feeling here, somebody didn't trust it or somebody didn't believe in it and may have started to kind of hold back. And that caused the ending of this connection, Leo. It caused an ending and eventually led two people to feel abandoned and left out in the cold because of one person's holding back and their pride and ego which came into this mix. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, this person was not being able to balance their emotions out maybe at that point, or they were just, when you get something really good, you start doubting it. So maybe one person kind of started having doubts and is it really good for me, or should I not? And that should I not kind of closed the chapter on this connection and led to feeling of isolation between two people who had a beautiful thing going. This was a beautiful friendship connection. So now this Queen of Swords doesn't trust, doesn't believe, is angry, is upset. Like, what happened here? I mean, things were going great and then somebody seemed distant, started pulling away from the person. This Queen of Swords is, I think, not even waiting anymore. They could be very attractive. Maybe that's one of the reasons this masculine may have got a little threatened by this connection. Very fiery, very exciting, very beautiful, doing very well in their own life. And even now, I feel it hasn't deterred this Queen of Swords. Yes, they may not trust this connection anymore, but they are still shining bright. King of Swords. King of Swords. King of Swords. This King of Swords now doesn't know what to say. They're deeply unhappy. Why did I hold back? I ruined such a beautiful soulmate connection. I had it in the palm of my hand. I did. And I became, emotionally unavailable. And now I've created bad memories into this connection. They are very, very unhappy. They've lost their wish fulfillment. This King of Swords desperately now wants to get over this toxicity which has come into this connection. They want to release whatever bad feelings there are between the two of you, because they are understanding now that things have really gone a different direction, a wrong direction. Instead of going towards peace and harmony and, beautiful times ahead, they've actually started going backwards. This King of Swords really does want this fight to end. They want this fight to end big time. One more for the Six of Swords in reverse. Six of Swords in reverse. Yes, because now they're not feeling, they're not getting any attention from this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups is stopped giving their love. I think this Queen of Cups finally got emotionally very overwhelmed. Like I was open, I was giving, and I kept giving. But if you're not going to, if you're going to be prideful or you're going to hold back, then I'm not going to be, making any moves towards you either now. And now this other person is feeling the lack of this interaction, maybe, or the lack of love that was earlier being shown is not being shown. They desperately want to now end this conflict and hopefully return with the Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, somebody is feeling terrible about the way they maybe went through this connection. They feel they've destroyed it completely, but still wishing and hoping that a return is possible. Wishing and hoping for this return. Right now, somebody is feeling very embarrassed and ashamed of their own actions here. Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this had the potential. Now they're realizing this had the potential if only I had been honest. If only I was not the King of Swords in reverse and I was upright and I had spoken my truth, I had communicated better, this connection could have gone the long haul. It had all the makings of a happily ever after. This could have been a long-term partnership where we could have both grown in such a beautiful way. But now this King of Swords is feeling embarrassed because they never listened to their intuition. Their pride came in the middle. They started holding back. They started going back and forth in their mind because maybe they felt threatened by this Queen's success or beauty or fire or something like that. So Justice in reverse, Spirit. Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. Whoever this King of Swords is has now kind of recognized, oh my God, they are in love. They've recognized that I have a lot of very, very strong feelings for this feminine. King of Cups with the Ace of Cups. Leo, who is this? Is it you or is it your person? Please put it down in the comment. I'd love to know who these two beautiful cards are for. But the only problem is, as much as they want to express this love, they feel they may not be able to bring it back into justice because they feel this Queen of Swords is still the Queen of Swords. They feel this Queen has become too powerful or will maybe ask questions now, and they don't want this stress. They don't want this stress of being questioned. If they have to now come back, with what face and what are they going to say? Because they haven't put in the work in the past, right? They never really put in the investment when the time was right. So what's this High Priestess in reverse, Spirit? Well, that was the underlying energy of this reading. High Priestess in reverse. What happened here? Somebody was scared to commit. Somebody was scared. And maybe Leo, this could be you because this King of Wands is here. Now this King of Wands is sometimes a little bit pompous, okay? They do have a little bit of pride and ego and they like a lot of attention. They like people to chase them. They like, to keep their options open. They have so many dreams of their own that they feel they are number one in the world, okay? So this person didn't listen to their intuition and I think lost out on a very strong commitment. Yes, they tried to be an emperor in reverse, which is somebody who wanted to control the way this connection would go. They recognized this connection to be beautiful, but then they said, wait, this is a good connection. Let me be the one in power. Let me take control. Let me direct this connection. And in that little game playing that this emperor did, or this control that this emperor tried to have, this Queen of Wands was not having it. I mean, they didn't know that this King of Wands was dealing with a Queen of Wands who had equal or more power. So this Queen of Wands probably said, all right, you play your games, I'm off. So that's what's happening. Yes, there is a full chance of if even now some wise decisions are made, Leo, some healing can come back to this connection. Okay, that's all I have for you. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. See you now on Friday. Oh, Monday.